Grenada Association of Professional Social Workers is furious over the sentencing of Treverson Roberts, who last week pleaded guilty to the charge of indecent assault involving a minor. The sentence, meted out at the Grenville Magistrate Court, constituted a fine of $1,500 to the state of Grenada and $600 to the family of the child towards counseling. Anne Graves, Vice President of the Social Workers Association, says with changes made to the criminal code in 2012, situations like these should not occur.
We're actually very outraged about the sentence meted out to this gentleman. And when I actually first saw the information on social media, I actually brushed it aside because I couldn't believe. I said, this is fake news. This cannot be happening here in Grenada. You know, there's been changing in the criminal code, so this cannot be happening here in Grenada.
Graves, noted for her work in the areas of child protection and mental health, is concerned about the effects and recovery of a child who experienced sexual trauma.
I agree with everything that is done, where I believe that cases, when a child says something has been done to them, we don't believe that child. When they go before the court, the magistrate, the judge would look at the victim. We need to consider the victim first before the perpetrator, because at the end of the day, victims, poor children, traumatized for the rest of their lives. Adults who may have done that, it may be they have been a victim along the way. We can't say. But at the end of the day, that little child, and it's something that is a scourge of our society, that we make a big fuss about it now and we shut our gobs. We need to continue to speak about these injustices, the way our children is being treated here in Grenada. It's a scourge of our society. Get rid of it.
Commissioner of Police Edwin Martin, acting on the advice of the Director of Public Prosecution, on Friday filed an appeal of the sentence handed down to Roberts. The Commissioner is appealing the leniency of the sentence. The case has also attracted the attention of the Ministry of Legal Affairs, who says the Attorney General's office is actively developing various administrative and legislative mechanisms to provide greater protection for children and other victims of sexual offenses. A bill on the registration of sex offenders is also being drafted. In the meantime, Graves wants the DPP to send information to the international community to have Treverson Roberts registered as a sex offender. Chrislina John, GBN News.